Fisher surname meaning and history presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is an English occupational surname denoting a fisherman, derived from the Old English word fiscer. Early bearers included Richard le Fisher in Essex in 1263, Ralph D. Fisher in Sussex in 1296, and Donald Fisher in Scotland in 1455. Knighthoods included Sir John Fisher, knighted in 1503, Sir Edward Fisher in 1603, Ferdinando Fisher in 1645, Sir George Bulteel Fisher, a major general in 1831, Sir John William Fisher, Surgeon General to the Metropolitan Police, knighted in 1858, Sir James Hurtle Fisher in 1860, and Sir Henry Charles Fisher in 1898. Noble titles held included the Fisher Baronetcy of Packington, Magna, in the County of Warwick. It was created in the Baronetage of England in 1622 for Sir Robert Fisher of Packington Hall in Great Packington in Warwickshire. And here we see Packington Hall. The Fisher Baronetcy of St. Giles in the County of Middlesex was created in the Baronetage of England in 1627 for Sir Thomas Fisher. The title became extinct on the death of the 4th Baronet, Sir Richard Fisher, in 1707. Landed gentry included Fisher of Thorncombe in County Surrey, England, and Fisher of Springdale in County Yorkshire, England. Notables included John Fisher, born 1459, Bishop of Rochester and Chancellor of the University of Cambridge. David Fisher, born 1788, an English actor and one of the managers of Fisher's Company, which had a monopoly on the Suffolk theaters. Bardsey Fisher was an 18th century academic scholar who was Master of Sidney, Sussex, and Vice Chancellor of the University of Cambridge. William Webster Fisher, medical doctor, born 1798, was Downing Professor of Medicine at Cambridge University. Alice Fisher, born 1839, was a nursing pioneer employed at Philadelphia General Hospital. Edward Fisher, born 1848, was a Canadian conductor, teacher, organist, and founder of the first musical directory of the Toronto Conservatory of Music. And Albert Fisher, born 1864, was a pioneer in the Detroit auto industry. He was the uncle of the 7 Fisher brothers and founders of the Fisher body. Early settlers included Robert Fisher, who came to Virginia in 1611, Henry Fisher, and Edward Fisher, who came to Virginia in 1623, and Edward Fisher, who came in 1634. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.